In today's video, we are going to look at the top 5 best electric hand planers available on the market. We research web and read lots of real user reviews before creating the electric hand planers list. If you want more information and updated pricing on the electric hand planers mentioned, be sure to check the description link. Subscribe to our channel. And press the bell button for more informative videos. Number 5, Rechargeable Electric Planer for Makita 18V Battery. This rechargeable electric planer is designed for cordless convenience, compatible with Makita 18V batteries, making it a perfect fit for any woodworking project on the go. Featuring a handheld design, this tool combines power and portability, allowing easy and smooth wood cutting with precision. Its ergonomic grip reduces hand strain, making it ideal for prolonged use. This planer is built to deliver professional results for both hobbyists and pros alike, handling anything from simple DIY tasks to more intensive woodwork. Number 4, Cordless Electric Planer with Brushless Motor for Makita 12V Battery. Designed for efficient and smooth wood cutting, this cordless electric planer boasts a brushless motor for long-lasting performance. Running on a 12V Makita battery, it's lightweight and easy to handle, perfect for intricate work or quick touch-ups. Its compact build and powerful motor make it suitable for precision tasks, whether you're trimming edges or smoothing surfaces. The tool's portability and reliability make it an excellent addition to any workshop. Number 3, VEVOR Electric Hand Planer 3 1/4 Corded Planer for Woodworking. The VEVOR Electric Hand Planer offers a high-speed output of 16,500 RPM, delivering powerful performance with a 3 1/4 cutting width. This corded tool is designed for efficient material removal and smooth finishes, ideal for DIY woodworking projects. Its ergonomic design and easy controls allow comfortable, precise cuts, making it a reliable choice for both beginners and experienced woodworkers. This planer is built for durability, ensuring consistent results with every use. Number 2, Mini Electric Planer for Portable Woodworking. Compact yet versatile, this mini electric planer offers multifunctional capabilities for small woodworking projects. Designed for easy portability, it's a handy benchtop tool perfect for precision tasks such as pressing and planing. Despite its small size, it delivers reliable power, ensuring clean cuts and smooth surfaces. Lightweight and easy to maneuver, this planer is ideal for detailed work on smaller pieces and is well suited for DIYers and professionals alike. Number 1, 30,000 RPM Brushless Cordless Electric Planer for Makita 18V Battery. Equipped with a high-speed 30,000 RPM brushless motor, this cordless electric planer is designed for powerful and precise woodworking. Compatible with Makita 18V batteries, it provides the freedom of cordless operation with exceptional performance. Lightweight and ergonomically designed, it's comfortable to use over extended periods, making it perfect for demanding woodwork tasks. This planer's brushless motor ensures durability, while its efficiency helps complete tasks quickly and smoothly, ideal for professional and DIY woodworkers.